What is metastasis? Well, it comes from the Greek meaning change of place. That's the key to understanding it. Quite often, when doctors say a particular cancer is now inoperable, it is because the cancer has metastasized. Sometimes this is also called stage 4. It's one of the properties of cancer that makes it so lethal. In fact, some cancers are non-lethal until they actually travel to another location. Only then do they become lethal. It's only when these cancers travel to some vital organ and then disrupt the function of that organ that they're likely to kill the host. It's why early diagnosis and treatment of cancer is important before they change place. Metastasis happens when a cancer has grown to a substantial size and some of the cancers then separate from the original site. Then the cells can travel via either the bloodstream or the lymphatic system till they come to another organ and again settle and develop a new cancer at the new site. So for instance, cancer which originally developed in the bladder then travel around the body to the lungs and develop a new cancer in the lungs. However, even though this new cancer is in the lungs, it's still made up of bladder cancer tissues and has all the properties of the original cancer, and any treatment of the cancer needs to be that targets the original type of cancer. Although these cancers can spread to any part of the body, certain types of cancers have distinct preferences as to where they develop in secondary parts of the body. In general, these are locations which have similar conditions to the original location, or at least similar as far as the developing cancer cells are concerned. If the cancer settles in a part of the body which is totally unsuitable to the particular cancer, metastasized cancer may die. However, most common locations are things like the liver, the lungs, and the bones. Other common locations are those that are actually downstream of the original cancer site, so cancer cells can't really move of their own accord, and so they go with the flow of the blood or the lymphatic system. The problems associated with treating metastasized cancer, those little seeds for the new cancer, can appear in many different locations, and each location the cancer needs to be treated generally by the same methods that would use to treat the original cancer. Because some of these are toxic and harmful in nature, some of the treatments involved in killing the cancer cells attempting to kill multiple cancers in multiple different locations at the same time could mean subjecting the patient to potentially lethal doses of the treatment. In addition, the new organ that they've settled in may be impossible to treat without actually then impairing that organ so much that it ceases to function, again resulting in the death of the patient. This doesn't mean that metastasized cancer is always lethal, but treatment options are reduced and life expectancy as a result is significantly poorer.